Imagine owning your dream home for just $5,000. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because what you're about to see is a stunning wooden home that looks like it came straight out of a luxury magazine, but costs less than most people's monthly rent. From the outside, it's absolutely breathtaking. The warm wooden finish, the modern yet cozy vibe, it feels like something hidden deep in the mountains of Norway. But here's the twist, it's completely affordable, eco-friendly, and built to last. You'd never guess that this little piece of paradise was made with a tight budget and smart design choices that make every inch count. As you step inside, it instantly feels like home. The smooth wooden walls give off that peaceful cabin energy, and the light streaming through the wide windows makes the space feel open and alive. There's no wasted space here, every corner is designed with purpose. The living area is surprisingly spacious, perfect for relaxing, reading, or even entertaining guests. And yes, all of this was built for under $5,000. The kitchen might be compact, but it's got everything you need: sleek countertops, clever storage, and enough room to cook a full meal without feeling cramped. The builders used recycled wood and locally sourced materials to keep costs low without sacrificing quality. That's the real beauty of this home. It's proof that luxury doesn't have to come with a massive price tag. Then there's the bedroom, warm, inviting, and unbelievably cozy. The clever design uses multifunctional furniture to make the most of every inch. Imagine waking up here every morning to the scent of pine and the sound of birds outside your window. It's peaceful, private, and feels like your own little retreat from the world. But the magic doesn't stop there. The bathroom, yes, even on a $5,000 budget, is something special. It's small, sure, but the craftsmanship is flawless. There's a shower, a composting toilet, and a sleek wooden sink that fits perfectly with the natural theme. It's a reminder that simplicity can still be stunning. What's even more impressive is how energy efficient this home is. With a few solar panels and smart insulation, it stays warm in winter and cool in summer, without big utility bills. Some owners even manage to live completely off-grid. That's right, total independence for less than the cost of a used car. This $5,000 wooden home isn't just a house, it's a statement. A statement that says you don't need to be rich to live beautifully. You just need creativity, vision, and the courage to think differently. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living here? Because one thing's for sure, after seeing this, the idea of affordable housing will never look the same again. This is proof that your dream home might just be waiting, for only $5,000.